Good day, everyone. So our lesson for today is all about equations in quadratic form. There are equations that may appear complicated, but when transformed into a quadratic form, their solution is facilitated. Any equation of the form af squared plus bf plus c equals 0, where f is any algebraic expression, may be described as an equation in quadratic form. So let us have some examples and observe how the following non-quadratic equations are solved using methods of solving quadratic equations. So let us have 9x to the fourth minus 52x squared plus 64 equals 0. So first, let us look for an equation, or for an expression rather, that will help us to equate it into quadratic form. So first, observe x to the fourth and x squared. So look for x to the fourth and x squared. As you can see, we can express it as 9x squared to the second power minus 52x squared plus 64 equals 0. So as you can see, we have here x squared and x squared. They are common. So the next one, since we write it as x squared to the second power and this one is x squared, we may use, or we may let f be equal to x squared. You can use any other letters from A to Z, except x of course, but for me, I choose f. So let f be equal to x squared. And by all means, we can substitute this in the given equation. And this substitution will lead to a quadratic equation in f. Solve this quadratic equation in f by factoring. So we have here 9, substitute x squared by f. So we have 9f and then copy squared. Minus 52, then x squared is equal to f. Plus 64 equals 0. So as you can see, this is now in quadratic form. Therefore, we can solve it using quadratic equation. So the next one is, we have to factor the given equation. So factor it. So let us try 9f and f, since 9f times f is 9f squared. And then think of the two numbers, or the two factors of 64. So let us try negative 16 and negative 4. So let us check if our answers are correct. 9f times f is 9f squared, correct? Negative 16 times negative 4 is positive 64. Negative 16 times f is negative 16f, and 9f times negative 14 is negative 36f. Negative 16 and negative 36f, if you're going to combine, it will lead to negative 52f. So we just use the happy face method or the FOIL method in order to know if our factors are correct. So we have 9f minus 16 times f minus 4. Then after that, we have here 9f minus 16 equals 0. Or the other one is f minus 4 equals 0. So from here equals 0, then here equals 0. Then we have 9f equals, so we are going to transpose it here. So we have 9f equals 16. Then divide both sides by 9. So we have f equals 16 over 9. So this is the first one. The next one is we have f is equal to, transpose it, so we have f equals 4. Therefore, our values of f are 16 over 9 and 4. But it doesn't end here because we have to solve for the value of x. So the next step is solve for x. Then we have to solve for x. So how are we going to solve for x? So let us go back to this one. Let f equals x squared. So we just write it down. So as you can see, if f is equal to x squared, then f equals x squared equals, so this one, we are going to write 16 over 9. And the other one is f equals x squared equals 4 from here, and then this one. And then instead of writing f equals x squared equals 16 over 9, we can write it down as x squared equals 16 over 9. And by the use of square root property, we have here x is equal to positive or negative square root of 16 over 9. Then we have x equals positive or negative. Then the square root of 16 is 4 over square root of 9 is 3. Therefore, x is equal to positive negative 4 over 3. While the other one is x squared, instead of writing again f squared equals 4, we can write it down as x squared equals 4. Then again, by using square root property, we have here x is equal to positive negative square root of 4. Therefore, we have x equals positive negative 2. Therefore, the solutions of 9x to the 4th minus 52x squared plus 64 equals 0 are, so here are the solutions. We can write it down as, so solutions is 4 over 3, negative